see more of your messages. That is the improved conversation view. By conversation we mean that it's a chain of messages that it is between you and your mail recipients going on. So how we can make it more logical and arrange your messages in a conversation, that we will see in this session. And what are the actions you can take it in a conversation also we will discuss it. You can turn on the conversation view, and that's under the view. Go to the view and say click on the shows as conversation. As you see, the date has been already chosen under the arrangement, but you can choose any of these options, like from, that is group messages by sender, to the group messages by recipients, and also from subject and categories view. So let's click on the show as conversation, and the date has been chosen. So the conversation is going to be arranged or grouped by date, and it is asking you if you want show messages arranged by conversation in all the folder or only the folder that has been selected, the inbox. If we click on all folders, it will do organizing of your emails. Whenever you see the small arrow here, that means it is a conversation and there are some other emails behind it. So if you click on it, it will expand and show you how many emails are there, and this is a part of your conversation. This is a very handy tool that if you want to follow or track any messages within a conversation, you can find all the messages over here. So when we are in this topic of conversation, it's worth to mention two new commands that is available in this version of Outlook, that is ignore and clean up. That when you send a message and somebody replies to it and then you reply it, all this back and forth messages are in each and every mail. So if you want to remove them, then it will be making less clutter to your inbox, and it will move to your any folder that you select or the deleted folder. But in this way, you are not going to lose any email, because it will keep all the unique emails in that conversation. If you go there and the conversation, and you say go to the home and you say clean up, you say clean up conversation. It say all redundant messages in this conversation will be moved to the deleted items folder, and you say clean up, and that's gone. Okay, and if there is no redundant messages, it will show up there is no redundant messages to clean. Similarly, we have another command over here called ignore. Let's for example that there is an email regarding an event that you know that you cannot attend, and these messages are coming back and forth from your colleagues for a week, and it's going to be until that event occurs, and you know for sure that you cannot attend it, so you are not going to follow that, you are not interested in that email anymore. So what you can do, you can select that conversation and click on ignore. So what it will do, not only it will remove those messages to the move those messages from your inbox and put it in your deleted items folder, but any further messages in that particular conversation will also go to the deleted items folder without cluttering your inbox. So this is for conversation. Let's see the next slide. That's about create and send messages. So we will see the message ribbon here, and we know how to create signature, do some quick formatting, attaching file, and see how BCC box is working in this version of Outlook. So when you want to create a message, it's a new email. As you can see in this window, we have a different ribbon that's called the message ribbon with message specific commands and groups. So here we will see the address book, that way we can get the address, and under here we can attach the file, and there is a button called signature that you might be interested to know how to create a signature. So you click on the signature. If there's already a signature there, you can select it. As you can see, there is a signature already, or you can create a new signature by clicking on the signatures. Here you'll see the create a new signature button. You click on that, write some name for it, and click on that anytime that you new message you're going to create, which signature you want to put it there in both new and replies, and you type your signature here, or you can copy paste from somewhere else, and you can paste put a picture, a link, as you see here. And you can also add a business card, like if you already have it in your contact list, then you can include that too. So this signature also you can put under insert button, that is an attaching file. When you click on that, it will open up your computer documents, and you can choose that. You can insert a business card, calendar, and signatures, as I already told you. Under the options button, you will see some fields for your theming options, and here the BCC one, that if you want to because when you open your create message you won't see the BCC field. Under the options you need to click on that to have that BCC field, and it will be there unless until you click on again to go back to the original view. And the formatting, that is it is giving you all the options of a Word to format your text, including your, like if it's a picture and you have your contextual tools, picture tools will be there. You can format your pictures. So it's like a full featured formatting options. And under the review you have your spellings, grammars, your word count, and the translation tool also. And it's worth mentioning here, when we are here, if we are writing something in the text and if we want a quick formatting, rather than going to the format options and see where it is, we will see, if you right click on it, we'll see here the options for the quick formatting. And also here that you don't have to right click, also you just hover on it, like if you select the object and hover on it, and you will see a faded one quick formatting tool. When you move to that, it will show up your quick formatting options. This is read and respond to message. We will see what are the changes that done with the reading pane, and most importantly the previewing the attachments without opening it. That's the new feature. And junk spam message, how to deal with that, how you can create folders and organize your messages, and some taking actions for your messages. You have the 3 panes over here, the navigation pane and the reading pane and the to-do bar pane. And I show you here under the view, you can minimize your any of the pans, and according to your needs, if you want to make bigger your reading pane, etc. And when you are reading in your reading pane, there is some interesting features that you can see, that if you are without opening the file, you can preview your attachment. That's what I'm going to show you here. Okay, so as you see here, this is an attachment in this message, and we want to see this Word file, but we don't have to open it or save it in your computer to see it. We can just click on it. It will open up the document here, and as you notice here, the ribbon has been changed with the contextual tab, with the attachment tab, or with the attachment tools in it, and the comments related to it. So in that way you can open any type of attachment, or preview any type of attachment without saving it to your computer or opening it. If it is a Word file, a PDF, or even if the PowerPoint presentation also, you can open it without saving it to your computer, and you can preview it. Once you are done with this, and you can print from here, you can open and save as and save all attachment. You can remove attachment if you want to, and if you want to keep your message but only the attachment, removing that option is there. And when you are ready, you can go click on the show message to go back to your original message. And when we are here in the reading pane, we can do some of the stuff like there's a junk message command too, that if the message has not gone to the junk email options directly, you can move that. by clicking on this. And the important fact in that, it's not only move your message to the junk folder, but it will block the sender, and it will in the future it will send it to your junk folder without instead of coming to your inbox. And there are some other quick steps here. You see, that is, you can create a team email. They create a new email to your team, that if you set it up, that one, that's a quick step. Like say your group email or staff email, you when you set it off, you click on that, it will directly open up your group email without you to put the email address. And this is you can create move the selected email to a folder and making the email as read. There's some of the quick steps and some reply and delete. As it says that you will reply to that particular email that has been selected, and it will delete from the folder in one click. And you can set it off if there is you are going to send emails frequently to your manager, and you can set it up that. And you want to forward the selected email to your manager. If you set it up the address over here, you can write down anything, a name and address. On one click you can forward that particular email to your manager. So, and you can create your new steps to write your custom step and choose any action. So it will be shown up there. And let's go to the calendar. It will open up your calendar specific comments. Calendar specific comments are here, like you can create new appointment, new meeting, new items. And the word mentioning here is go to dialog box. That is, if you say go to today, and it will be on the today, the particular day. And you can click on next 7 days, it will show up that. You can share your calendar and publish it online for other people to subscribe to it. That is a Microsoft Windows Live ID you need to have it to share your calendar, so that it will be online. If you don't have the Exchange server, you can also share your calendar in this way, and that will be an internet calendar for your colleagues to view if you give them the access and they subscribe with their Windows Live ID. The last thing I am going to discuss about, let's go to our mail, that is the search functionality, search and find. Here you see the search inbox. This is largely improved actually, like under the search. If when you click on it, you will see the search tools, that is contextual tab, search tab, or the search tools. And your current folder is already selected, but if you want to find something within all your email items, you can click on that too. And you type here the keyword, and it will show you in the bottom here that how many items has that keyword in it. Also, you can refine your search by clicking on this on any of these commands. There is the from, that means the sender name. The keyword, if any of these, that is from whom it is coming, like if you want to see quickly rather than going to your inbox and sorting your email according to your sender email address. So, and also you can do, if you know the subject or you are looking for an email that came from a particular person and that has an attachment that you are looking for, you can do that.